guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using two palettes. They are the Jaclyn Heel collection. This one is Dark Magic, and then I'm using this one. I think this is Armed and Gorgeous, and it is gorgeous. So yes guys, I've already done one side. I'm going to go ahead and just do the other side, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and get with the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, which I kind of already accidentally started, I almost forgot to press record, is I'm going to go on with a blending brush and go into Top Secret. Dust off extra. And then go into the crease with it. Okay, take another, oh, I hope I didn't put my hand. Take another blending brush, and then we're gonna go into, I think it's Access. Yes, go to Access, dust off any extra, and then we're gonna actually go above Top Secret and then blend it out. All right, now I'm getting ready to cut my crease. So I'm going to, ooh, I need some mirror. I'm going to use this eyebrow brush and then cut it that way, so don't judge me. Okay, so I'm done with the cut crease. I'm going to set it with this color. It's called Poof in the Dark Magic. Now I'm going to go into Armed and Gorgeous again, and I'm going to put Secure on my lid. Now I'm gonna take this more precise blending brush, and I'm gonna go into Dark Magic, and then I'm gonna go into Inside Job. And I'm gonna put it on the outer lid, the outer corner, should I say. I'm gonna go back until Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm going to blend out this color. Oh, with Top Secret. Sorry guys. And then blend it out with a clean blending brush. did I mention I'm not a professional? I'm just doing what I feel like needs to be done. Okay. So after going with this eye, I noticed my finger just works better. So I'm going to go back. This is Armed and Gorgeous still. And go into Guilt Trip. And then just using my finger. You can apply however you want to. But my finger works best with shadows. I mean shimmers. Kind of need to put some more milk on her. I don't know why it's lighter. I meant darker. Okay. And then I went into Dark Magic, and I also use my finger for this. It's like a soft shimmery color. It's called Trickery. I just use my finger and then I just put it on there. It's just to get like a little glitter. And then I don't know why I keep closing this. I'm going to just go over it with this clean. I went into Armed and Gorgeous. What? Armed and Gorgeous. And I just took like this little brush, pencil brush, and I just went into VIP and just put it right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and put on the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna just do Top Secret out of Armed and Gorgeous. And then I'm going to go in my Secure, since I'm already in Armed and Gorgeous. And then I'm gonna go into Guilt Trip on the other side. Just go ahead and put that at the bottom. To Dark Magic, get Inside Job again. Put it towards the end. Oh, I bet this one will go on just fine. Do it on the other side. And then, pick up that Trickery color. Try to put it on here. Did pretty good. Just get any old kind of mascara. I don't have lashes, so I'm gonna have to use mascara. I'm gonna use, this is Hudson by Anastasia. Just, I don't have another color, so I'm just use this. All right, guys, here is my, I don't know, army green gold. Whatever you want to name this, let me know. Maybe I'll change the title to your name. But this is my look. And I hope you enjoyed, guys. Until next time, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let me know what other look you want to see down below, or what other videos you have in store for me. Let me know so I can put out what you guys want to see. Until next time, peace.